I don't know if you heard that. This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and that's WWV on 5 megahertz. And I could hear the female voice. Fairly clear, not terrific, but fairly clear. I haven't been able to hear the female voice. The female voice is WWV out of Hawaii. That's a long ways from me, and I heard it. And the way I heard it was, I'm using the Retekess TR113, and I got in yesterday an adapter cable to hook up an external antenna directly to my coax, which is right now hooked to my Megaloop antenna. So in best case now, I think I'm still struggling, and let me bring it in closer. I'm still struggling with the antenna settings. The manual is confusing because it says when I've got this setting for the antenna, that connects to both the telescopic antenna and the external antenna. And it doesn't seem to make much difference, and I'll just try it right now, of using the switches on the back and using this antenna tuner for the external antenna. So let me turn the volume back up. Okay. Whoop, a little too high there. Now we're going to turn the antenna tuner knob. I see no difference. Here's the female voice. Now here's the switch. Now the switch has 3 positions in the back. It's medium wave, shortwave 1, shortwave 2. So you would think if I put it on medium wave, I'd lose the signal. Let's try that. That's on medium wave. No change. I put it back on in shortwave 1. No change. Shortwave 2, no change. So that switch is not working. It's not in the circuit, so to speak. So I still don't think I have the optimum setup. Let me turn this back down. Optimum setup for shortwave and having it connected to my Megaloop antenna. Maybe that connector that I bought is not going far enough in. It didn't seem to go in as far as I wanted to. Let's just take a look here. So let me pull that out. Yeah, it goes in, yeah. Now, I don't know if it needs to be stereo. They don't give you any specifications. So I got the mono one. Oh, there. Whoa, that was a big difference. I really pushed hard, and it went way, gosh. It hit the keyboard. Wow, I'm struggling. It's hell to get old. Okay, I lost my display. Okay, get back up there. And we're off frequency now. Whoops, that's not tuning. Oh, there we go. Back to 5 megahertz. Turn the volume up. Ooh, that does sound stronger. Maybe I didn't have the antenna pushed all the way in. I had to push really hard. So we can play with this antenna switch, see what it does. Listen. Got noisy there. Yep, that does seem to be the best. Now let's try tuning it. Yeah. Seem to make difference. Now let's try the switch. No, the switch still doesn't seem to make any difference. But it's definitely stronger now. My display would stay on. Yeah, those ticks are loud. Let me see if I can get back into preset mode. Get to my preset channels. There's channel 10. 11. 5025. Yeah, that's much stronger. I think I finally got it working.
The body and suffering.
Oh, yeah.
Looks at everybody.
Success. Wow. Noise.
O liberaciones o como quisiera.
Oh my gosh. That's Chinese. 9825. Let me look it up real quick. Hold on, I'm getting excited here. 9825. 9825. Now. China Radio. Or Voice America. Both of them are over in Asia. China Radio right now is broadcasting in Chinese. That's China Radio. That's got to be China Radio. A little bit of interference. So I think, let me turn the volume down for a second. So I think I finally got the antenna set up on this radio correct. Plus, I got that adapter plugged all the way in. It was not all the way in when I did the scan. So I got to do another scan. I won't do it on the show because it takes 15 minutes to do a scan because it scans every frequency on the shortwave band. It takes 15 minutes. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So this radio is doing a terrific job now that I got a decent antenna hooked to it for shortwave listening. Wow. So like I say, I'll do another scan and just, I'll put in the comments how many real stations it found in this configuration. It is presently 7:14 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. Good time to listen to Asia, and good time to listen to any stations on shortwave, either early in the morning or early in the afternoon. Not afternoon, early in the evening is the best time. Whoa, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm really excited. Have a great day. Bye-bye.